In today's video, I'll show you how to put products on sale in your WooCommerce store. And as an example, let's take a look at the simple product on my site, Gray Sofa, which currently retails at $500. Let's assume we'd like to put it on sale at $250. To make this change, first we'll log into your WordPress dashboard, and then hover on Products, and then select All Products. Now let's locate the product in question, Gray Sofa, and then click on Edit. Once the product editor loads, scroll a bit down till you find the section Product Data. As you can see, it's a simple product. Now make sure the General tab is selected, and right here you can add the sale price. So the regular price is $500. Let's put the sale price at $250. Now let's scroll a bit up and then update the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to your product page and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the product is on sale at $250. Alternatively, if you have product with multiple variations like I do over here, let's take a look at this one, coffee table. As you can see, it comes in two different sizes, medium and large. Let's assume we'd like to put both of them on sale. To make the change, the process is very similar. Once again, go back to the WordPress admin, then click on products, then look at the product in question. In my case is this one, coffee table, and then click on edit. Just like before, scroll a bit down till you find the product data section. As you can see, it's a variable product. And then let's click on the variations. At first, let's start off by putting the medium variation on sale. For that, simply click on edit. Scroll a bit down till you find the sale price section. And let's adjust the price to $50. And now let's do the same thing for the large variation. Just like before, click on edit. Scroll a bit down, look for the sale price section. And this one's going to be $75. Now let's scroll all the way up and then update the changes. Once the changes are saved, go back to the product page, try refreshing it. Let's take a look. As you can see, the medium size is on sale at $50 and the large size at $75. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more WooCommerce tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.